Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to cut this durian. Anybody know about this durian? Because they cut whole Bible says this is a stinky food. This durian right here. Okay. This is from Thailand. They anywhere from warm countries so they can grow. Even where I come from, Laos, Laos. We got durian too because my grandfather had durian big tree. So this is how the durian look like. Okay, I bought this from Chinese market. This sell $3.99 a pound. So this total right here is about almost $20. It's worth it because I love durian. You know, durian is good for you. So many benefits you need to know. You can Google, take a look at what benefit of durian. Okay, but this is so good. I'm just buying it. I have to say fresh because you can cut on your own. This is like a narrow, very hard. I'm gonna show you how to cut. Okay. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna take the bag out first. Because this bag right here. This is. Be careful because this is like a narrow. It can hurt you. Let me take this one off. Okay. Take this bag off. The net right here. Take it out. Alright, now I'm gonna cut. See the line right here? You can cut by line because the fruit. This is the fruit right here. This is the fruit. This is the fruit. So you can go by the line. This is very fair. I can see that. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cut this one. Okay, first I'm gonna go right here, the line right here. Just go ahead, go by the line right here. Okay. Right, let's go cut by the line. Go by the line like that. Okay, it's open right now. Alright. It's open right now. See that? There's durian right here. Alright, I'm gonna take this one out from the shell. Show you how to take it out. Just cut another cut right here. Just like that. Basically, I'm not expert to cut the durian, so okay, here you go. Open like that. Okay, let me put in the place. Okay, take a look closer. This open like that, so I take a scoop out like this. This is durian right here. Okay, and the seed too. You can eat the seed too. This durian right here. Oh, that's so good. Very creamy and sweet. Everything so good, and a lot of benefits. They put it in a frozen, that's why they look like this. Alright. So good. Here, that's another one right here. I'm gonna scoop out right here. That's so good. Just like that. You see that? Beautiful. Alright, let's cut another one. Okay, one big one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut another one out. Open it up. See that? Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. And take the scoop out right here. You can make a sticky red durian. You can make a smoothie. Oh my god, I will make smoothie. A lot of customers love it too because it's very different. That's why everybody talk about durian stinky. Oh yeah, it's sticky, but it's a benefit. But it tastes so good when you eat it. Creamy, yummy. So good. You know, they're very unique. They have the shell like very hard to get into. Look at this. Very hard to get into. And here comes full scoop right there. Okay, and another one go through. I have like 2 more to go. So what I do, just open this up. Oh, look at that. This is the best one right here, the best part here. Look, just open this. Put it like that. Look at this. Scoop out. This is one right here. Have the seed in the tube. Okay, and this is one big one. No, this is two. This is another seed right here. That's another seed right here. And this is another one. That's it. It's done. Just like that. Look. This is shell. Just look like that. I mean, it's not easy to open, but it's not that bad. If you love to eat, you know how to open. That's all I'm gonna tell you. You don't believe it. There's one more left right here. I thought it's all gone. So one more right here. Wow, look at this. One more. Okay, let's clean up. And I'm gonna show you how to eat. This is how durian look like, guys. It's creamy, have the seed in there. And the seed you don't have to throw away. You can keep the seed and boil and eat it just like everything else. This is benefit. This is where I come from, Laos and Thailand. And we eat durian all year round. We crazy about it. It's so good. And too much benefit. Look up, see what benefit. Why we all Asian people crazy about this, you know? So look up and then see what's going on, and I'll show you how to cut. And that's how durian look like. I show you. It's not that easy, but if you love to eat, you have to know how to cut. That's all. So I'm gonna show you how to eat. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, I just finished cut durian. I just show you how to cut. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make smoothie, right? I'm gonna go ahead put in the blender, throw it down right here. This is about three seed durian right here, and then this is ice. Make a smoothie. This is so good. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit sugar because I don't want too sweet. Just want a smoothie. And I'm gonna add on the water. About just 1/4. About 1/4. That's it. I'm gonna put almond milk because I don't like having half. So almond milk is kind of natural to me. Thin soy milk. Alright, just drop in a little bit. That's it. Okay, let's go blend it. So easy. Yes. Let's go start it. Let's go. Right here. Okay, start smoothie. Okay, done. Okay, that's done. Let's go put in the glass, in the cup, and that's gonna be a good smoothie right here. You know, if you like more sugar, you always add, but I don't like too much sugar. I just want just natural taste. Put a little bit only. Okay, here's smoothie. Durian smoothie, really? That's a drink? Look at that guy. How good looking. Let me taste. Oh, so good. It's very good.
That's good.
Yeah, you know, so good, guys. Okay, durian smoothie, you can do that, and that's what everybody asks for because nobody doing this, only I am doing this. So some people love, some people don't. Okay, I love it. Durian smoothie. There you have it. This is durian. I'm gonna make smoothie because they're already helping. This is my medicine right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to eat durian like a medicine. So easy and delicious. Okay, 1 cup of ice. So put in here. So easy, guys. I'm gonna show you how to get medicine fix to heal your body when you get sick. Today I'm gonna put green tea in here. Green tea a little bit. Okay, the green tea right there. This sugar syrup. I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit sugar. I don't want a whole lot, but just a little bit. Make a smooth taste. I think that's it. I don't need too much sugar. I think that's it right there. Yep. Okay, you go ahead, put. sorry. This is almond milk. Alright, let's go put it down here. Yeah, almond milk, that's all you need. And make a natural, it's very natural a Durian fruit. Let's do it. There we go. Ready? Start. Yep. And okay, smoothie ready? Alright. I'm gonna put bubble because I had the bubble tea truck business, so I'll go ahead and put the bubble in here. Bubble Durian smoothie. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead get this out of here. Look at that. Yummy, guys. Okay. Perfect. 2 cups. Perfect. Awesome. All right. Look at the Durian smoothie bubble, guys. Very good. This is going to be my pink straw right here. This is going to be Sean. There you go. Beautiful, guys. Oh my God. Durian smoothie bubble. Anybody had that before? And plus benefits, give you energy and all whatever you need. A whole from the toe to the head. Benefit for you. It's so good. Okay, Han, cheer. I got bubble in here. Cheer. Take care of you from the toe to the head. This is medicine. Give me energy going for today. Okay? I love it.
Don't believe all those people who talk about durian is the nastiest fruit or the stinkiest fruit in the world. That's, to me, that's ignorance because they're keeping people away from a very beneficial fruit. In my opinion, when I first seen it, I thought it was special because of how the durian fruit was protected by the outside cover, which is like wood, hard like wood, it's spiky. I just, in my opinion, I thought this must be something very special in here because it's so well protected. And it has a distinct smell, but it's a sweet smell. So all these other people you see posting videos about, oh, this fruit is disgusting. They're not. That's ignorant because they're not telling you the benefits of this fruit. I mean, come on, people, don't believe that, you know. And I know the guy on the food channel went and said, you know, he eats bugs and stuff like that, but you can't eat a fruit. Make up your own mind. Try for yourself.
Shame on him.
And you'll see that it's very good. Especially
So good.
when you make it like a smoothie. When you make it as a smoothie, it's very good. It's just unique taste.
Go ahead.
And it has a lot of benefits. Look it up.
Cheer. Tell me. Thumb out.
Thumbs up.
Okay, guys.
Good.
This is so good. Yeah, so good.
Don't believe the hype. Try it for yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my job done. Now I'm done. I've got my energy. I got my medicine right here. Keep going. I'm cooking. All right, guys. If you love this video, you thumbs up, subscribe. I will come up more to show you how to eat natural food and helping you fix in your body if you get sick or you don't feel good. Okay. All right. Bye. Bye, bye, guys. See you later. Bye.
Cheers.
Cheer. One more time. Cheer. Bye, bye.